Hi guys, and welcome back to another video, and today this is the Little Western 11 and I'm going to be doing a review on one of my Thomas Wynne Railway customs. And today I made the Big City engine. So let's go. It's not that good. It's quite good though, considering it's one of my first customs. It was made out of Henry's model. Took the face off and just painted in brown really. Then I got some card, stuck on smoke deflectors and drew a face. I'm watching you. So yeah, that's about it really. Let's just send him for a spin. So yeah, if you enjoyed that video, I'm sorry it was a short one, but remember to leave a like and subscribe for more videos to come. See ya!